Happy New Year's, everyone. All right, we are getting ready to have a party. I've got my disco balls on, got my 2022, and I am making just a dip. We were, oh my gosh, we were in town all afternoon or all morning, Scott and I and Dave from Dave's RV Life. So we've been doing my makeup since I got home and getting ready. And I'm just going to throw a layered bean dip together. Really simple, super quick. So I'll show you guys. You want to tell them? You want to tell them Happy New Year's? Huh? Happy New Year's. Okay, you got to wait. You got to wait. She wants a treat. All right, so I already kind of started. And I just took a can of beans. I did traditional beans. For Scotty and I would do probably a vegetarian bean, just for the simple reason that I think there's maybe lard. I'm not really sure, guys. I just figured that everybody out there that doesn't eat plant-based probably would rather have this. I try to accommodate when we're gonna go to a party. So you just do that, super simple, right out of the can. And then I just have an already made guacamole. Just gonna get it in there. Trying to do this one-handed. Let me see if I can sit you guys down. I don't think you guys will be able to see. Scotty, can you come film? Okay, you just stand here and film for them.
Happy New Year's!
Okay. So you just stand there and you can film for me. It's such a mess in here right now because we, like I said.
Oh, hold on. I gotta walk over here for a second.
Super messy in here because I have been busy today. So then you just take the guacamole, spread that on there. Get a good layer. I think I'm gonna have to grab my other one. I have two containers of this.
It's okay, Pumpkin. We understand. You can't eat guacamole. Okay.
She's been down there. Don't worry if it gets mixed up a little bit. That doesn't even matter. Because this is like the best part, the guac.
Oh, especially when it's good guacamole.
Yeah. Some iceberg lettuce, which isn't very nutritional at all, but it works. And yeah. Just layer that on there. So basically just like you were building a taco without the shell. That's what it kind of is like. Okay, I was rushing so fast I kind of forgot a few things, so I had to turn you guys off and fix a few things. Here, I'm going to give you guys back to Scotty. He's going to hold this.
It's looking at me. Turn it around. Ah, that's so scary.
Hang on.
Change it.
There we go. So what I did is I forgot to put the salsa down on the beans and then the guacamole, and then I just put the lettuce on. So I put the salsa down. Come in. Just let you know, we're filming. Oh, it's Aja.
It's Moo Moo's.
Come in and show him. Show Aj. Scotty's got a big...
Hi, little lady. Hi, Moo Moo babies.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Look at you all glowy and stuff.
I know.
I got my disco balls on.
Look good.
You want some disco balls?
Sure, I'll take some balls.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh God, I'm sure so.
Okay, so then you just start layering all this
What is it, Punky?
corn. And the one thing I didn't have is sour cream. So that's the only thing that it's missing. But that's okay.
Oh, it's
You
dipping.
don't always have to have
Oh
all
my
the
God, I'm having
ingredients.
complications here. What is going on with this thing?
What is your malfunction?
This stupid bag.
It's
oh,
called-
oh, there it goes. Okay.
There you go.
It was stuck to the bag.
It's the nail.
Yeah,
Well, this,
I know.
too. Well, what's this?
Okay, well, take that off. I don't know if you can rip that out of there. And then,
Really? Why?
well,
that
because
does not sound like something you should be doing.
well,
just whipping it
there
out.
is a starter, or there is a turn-on thing there.
Oh.
Sorry, I was in your navel.
I thought you were in my boobs. Actually, I was like, "Wow, are you pointing that at my boobs?"
Okay, and then let's see. We've got some tomato.
Deck the halls with lots of bottles. Oh, wait a minute. It's not Christmas.
A bunch of what?
Balls. Oh.
I thought she said something
I thought
else.
you said bunholes.
What?
I
Ew.
did too.
That would be kind of weird. And
No,
Yeah,
I
like
thought
that.
so
That's what I
too.
thought.
That's why we were like,
Oh,
what?
like that? Okay.
Oh, this is such a good little recipe for when you are really rushed. So put some onions on there, some green peppers, or no, not green peppers, green onions, green spring onions, I think is what they're called.
Green spring onions?
Olives. Lots of olives.
Aren't they just called green onions?
Yeah. What did I call them? Spring
Well, they're
something?
either spring onions or green onions. You were calling them both.
I know. I was trying to combine them.
Green spring onions. Well, I guess you could call them.
Well, you
they
know,
are green.
I had
They are springy.
I had lots of plans to
I thought they were two
make
different ones.
a bunch of things, but we went
What
to
are
town
you
today,
all barking
so
for? Oh, you want me
just
to
take
sit down
this.
so I
Let's
can
just do
pet
this.
you?
It's just
That's
our
what
group,
it
so I don't want to waste all
Look
this.
at
It's
that.
just our group. It doesn't really matter. They don't care what it looks like.
You
Ooh, it's so pretty. Aja, will you?
don't care what it looks like.
Will you open that up?
I got nails too.
Oh gosh, Aja and I went and got our nails done. When they're little.
I'll show this
long.
side because I broke one.
Yeah, one.
Well, I won't show the other hand. Well, he did them so thin.
My nail is breaking
I
too.
broke
He
in
did-
3 days. I broke
yeah,
3 nails.
wasn't
I've never done that
good.
before.
That's all right.
Oh, here you go.
Okay, thank you. And then I just top it with a little bit of cheese. I won't put too much because this is vegan cheese, and I don't know if people will.
Get the runs.
No, they won't get the runs from vegan cheese. This is actually cashew cheese, so I guess I should tell them. I don't think we have anyone in our group that's allergic to nuts,
Cashew.
right? Cashew. All right, that's it. And then I'm just going to serve it with some chips. Okay, we're doing shots. We're going to start this party off right.
To our little threesome tribe.
What? Oh, I better not have had it on time lapse. That would be.
Aja was filming for her peoples.
No, I didn't. Okay. Oh, God.
All right. Only because it is New Year's Eve. And we're weenies. We don't put much in there.
Why are you talking about weenies?
Yeah, well.
Well, because you know, we got a whole night
I
to
know.
go.
It's only like what time?
We have a whole night to go, so
Well, you
this
said
is
a
all
shot.
we get. Yeah, you don't
Well,
need any more than
we'll
that.
call this a sip then.
Okay, we're
Okay.
gonna have
Because
a
it's not even
sip.
6 o'clock yet.
Yeah,
so we
we're
got that's 6
we don't
hours
want
till
to. We don't want to be
Well,
in
let's make it
bed.
to midnight.
Hang on, I gotta get in here. I gotta get in here. I don't know if we're all in here. Let me turn you guys around.
Oh, that smells strong.
All right, Happy New Year,
Happy New
everyone.
Year's!
Happy New Year's.
Cheers!
Cheers.
To the best of friends.
Oh, even that little shot was woohoo! What did you bring to the party?
Rock soup. Do you want some? I feel like nobody's
rock
even
soup.
touched it. Oh, here you go. Thank you.
Oh, let's see if it's done. Oh, yeah, nice rock soup.
Scott's looking at it like, what is that?
I know.
is
It
rock
looks good to
soup?
me.
That's called stone soup.
Stone soup. There we go. Yeah.
Well, you know, I'm from the South. I'm calling it rock soup.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! That's the way to bring in 2022. Beautiful.
It does look like they've worked on it though.
Right? Pumpkin's just checking everything out. So our friend Homer does some painting on his rig.
Audrey did that one.
Oh, from Full Tiny House,
Yeah.
Aubrey?
Yeah. We both
Oh, look at
She did. I said we must think alike because look at the feathers.
Right? Aw, how cute.
I wanted more of the tail on the other side. Doesn't show the tail that front.
Right?
Shows enough. Well, that's one she did. Little tiny house.
You got all your
Aubrey
stickers
did.
up there.
Yeah.
Right on.
We have you up there?
I don't know. I probably need to give you guys a sticker. I don't have any right
We
now.
had one on the old one.
And then he put the bear on this
Oh,
side.
yeah. Let me get on the other side here. Now, here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's
Very
one Audrey did
cute.
too.
Oh,
And that
wow.
bright-
Oh, yeah. I
And then
love
the kid
that
did
one. How fun. It's like
Down here.
it's like their own little canvases.
We're full anyway.
Each one of the little hooks, or each one of the little doors.
And this has the bag that's the moose.
Oh,
You just have to be
Wow.
careful when you put it up. You can't have the heat in that because it cooks it.
right. So they're the same on each side then, on this side.
Other than this, the boy and the
Oh,
girl. and I don't
Coco.
know which is
Hi,
which.
Coco. Hi, baby. Coco's gonna tell me. Oh, yeah.
I think
Very
another
cool,
cafe
Homer.
That did this, Terry. So I'd have Homer do it too.
Right. Very cool. All right. Well, Scotty is over here, and he is doing the water and the dump. And we've ran into all of our friends. We've got Margie and Jeff over here. Let me see your sticker, so we'll give you a little promo here. You guys go and subscribe to these guys. They're great to watch. Let's see. You're welcome, Marge. Unfortunately, we didn't get to hang out with these guys much. There we go. There you go. Go subscribe. It's a great channel. Okay, goodbye. Oh, that's a video.
Uh-oh.
Say hello to your friends.
Hey, I found them, Marcia and Matt, and God bless you guys, and you guys are doing a great job on the internet, man.
Well, and now
Really
they
cool.
owe you a steak.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now they get
Get 'em a
All
stuff.
right, so that's a shout out for Matt and Marcia from
Yeah.
Destination Open Road.
And David.
We love you guys.
Love you.
Thank you.
That is so funny to stop at the dump at the LTVA because we always run into either subscribers or friends up there. It's like the meeting place.
It is, it is.
The dump.
Yeah. Well, we got water and garbage.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So we just left the Senator's Wash area. That will be the last time that we're there for quite a long time. We're heading to Yuma. We're going to stay in Yuma for a couple days and wait for Aja to meet back up with us. And then we're heading to Ajo. Once we leave Ajo, which I think we're going to be there for maybe a week, checking out that area. Then we're heading towards Phoenix area. Scotty's sister moved from Las Vegas and now lives in the Phoenix, outside of Phoenix a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're going to go visit her and see her new house.
And our new pool.
Yeah, she's got a new pool.
I'm excited.
Scotty's excited. So we're going to do that, and then we we are going to continue to head south, right?
Southeast.
Southeast.
That's right.
Yep. We are
You
going
can
to
only go so far when you go southeast.
we are going to be heading out of Arizona and into new territory.
I know, and it's crazy because it's finally getting nice here.
Yeah.
It's been nice, but on the chilly side.
Right. So what we're doing is we have a wedding to go to in Georgia in April. So we're just gonna start making our way that way, and that way we're in Georgia by April. We were gonna leave the trailer and the truck and then fly to Georgia, and then some other people's plans got changed, and it all worked out. So that's what we're gonna do. Very excited.
Now they have our whole itinerary, whatever you call it.
Yes, we have an itinerary.
Now, golly.
Traveling itinerary.
I hate being so
Yes.
efficient.
Yeah. Unfortunately, we were supposed to meet up with some of our friends from Ocean Shores here back in Quartzsite, Terry and John. Unfortunately, we're not going to be here, so we'll have to set up another date for that. Anyways, heading to Yuma, like I said, and
Hasta luego.